Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to talk about a plugin for OBS called Source Record. This is a very useful plugin that I've been using since I started recording this course. Let's see how it works. This is the plugin Source Record. These are some information about the plugin. So what does this plugin do is it basically makes you able to record multiple sources in OBS Studio at the same time, and everyone will be its own video and its own output. So for me, for example, let's say I have my webcam. I applied a filter to it. My webcam is not showing here, but it's still being recorded because I have a filter here called Source Record. Source Record allows you to be recording more than one source, and you will have more than one output, like having two videos. For example, for me right now, if I go to my output right now, this is my output folder. You see right now there are two videos that are being recorded. Two videos. One, this is going to be this scene without my face cam, and this is going to be for my face cam alone. As well as you can see these videos. This video, for example, 8:12. This video 8:12. It's the same video, but this one doesn't have my face cam, and this is only my face cam. So this is how you can use it. So to apply it, you open any source, select any source you want, and add a filter. You will find a filter called Source Record. In this recording mode, you want to change it. It will be on none. You want to change it to streaming or recording or always, but don't make it on always. Just make it on streaming or recording, or streaming or recording, and then select a path to save your files. So I've selected this folder, and now if you don't change this one, it won't work for you. You need to add a name or change the name of this recording file, because let's say here, you see here, it's the same name. It's the same name that we have here on our recording. So if you are going to record and both are the same name, it's only going to record one. So you just come here in front of this, type facecam underscore, and it will be fine, and you will have another video. So as we saw before, these are the same video titles, but this one is called facecam and this is not facecam. You will need to change this, change recording format just like the normal recording in OBS Studio. Change all these settings to what you like. So for here, background, leave this. FPS, hardware, you can select the same encoder recording with in OBS. You can select a different bitrate if you want, and a different FPS. And once you have this filter on, it's going to record. Right now, if I mess with it, it's going to stop recording my facecam if I disable this. So this is how it works. You just add a filter to anything you want. It can be added to a scene, it can be added to a source. Make it enabled, make it on streaming or recording. Choose a path, choose a name, and just once you click start recording, it will start recording. But sometimes it's going to crop a little bit at the end. It's going to trim. So just make sure you stay for like 5 more seconds at the end, so you don't have any loss talking or speech or anything. So everyone, that's it for this video. This is a very useful plugin that I have found. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.